everyone, I am Nikki. Thank you so much for joining me here at my channel. Today we are going to take a look at what's inside the FabFitFun Winter Seasonal Box.
Positive representations, fighting native appropriation. Learn to love yourself in everything you do, 'cause you're amazing. Red Streak Girl.
Thanks so much for watching and joining me here at Red Streak Girl. I hope that you'll take a minute to subscribe so you can receive notifications when I post new videos. I am really excited for today. We are going to unbox the FabFitFun Winter Seasonal Box. I am really excited to take a look inside. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so some things that I do want to know from you all is if you have received a FabFitFun box before. Honestly, this is the first full FabFitFun seasonal box that I have received. This is a subscription service that is quarterly. You can pay either by the quarter or seasonal as they call it, or you can pay by the year. I am not sponsored, and so I did pay for this subscription box. The box cost me less than $50, like $49.95. Ooh, almost dumped it all out. And this is pretty heavy. So you get a full box of full-size products. So the very first thing is this little magazine. It kind of is about the winter. It says winter edition. It looks like it's got like little articles in it. Perhaps maybe even discussing what is inside the box and maybe ways to use or style some of the products. I don't want to look inside of it too much because I want to be able to be surprised about what is actually inside the box. Okay, so there are a lot of products in here. I'm not sure if you can fully see. So, ooh, I keep seeing these everywhere on social media, and I really wanted to give it a try. I will definitely be giving this a try. Oh, let's see if I can open it. Ooh, okay, this is nice. This is really nice. It feels heavy. There's like a little bit of weight to it. I wanted one of these, so I'm really excited. I mean, I don't know how much these like normally retail for, but I know that I have been wanting one of these, so the fact that I got it in my box, I'm really excited about it. Also in here is the MER-SEA for Anthropologie Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. To be very honest, I have never really shopped inside of Anthropologie. It's closed, but you can smell just a little bit of it. And it does smell like coconut, not a lot. Okay, next product is this Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Treatment Mask, Intense Care for Dry and Damaged Hair. Oh, and it's like a nice, like, big product. This is great. So I do occasionally, you know, go and get a haircut. My hair was just recently cut to kind of cut off some of those dry ends, but I'm sure something like this would be very helpful. This says it's a brilliant eye brightener, highlighting stick, Thrive Cosmetics. So I guess it's kind of like a highlighter, but it's a highlighting stick, so it's probably like creamy in a way. Okay, so this is a mask, a hydration cream mask from AHAVA. So it seems like they've provided like a lot of products that, you know, can help with hydrating your skin, which would be great for the winter when sometimes, you know, our skin can dry out. So this is a mask for your face. Ooh, what is this big box? ORIBE Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I like a dry shampoo for days when I feel like I need just like a little extra cleanse to my hair. I normally don't wash my hair every day. I wash my hair perhaps maybe like every 2, 3, sometimes 4 days apart. And so sometimes you need just a little bit of a dry shampoo to kind of help feel just a little freshened up. Okay, so there are a few more products in here. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Is this lipstick? Oh my gosh. So this is Bite Beauty. It is a lipstick. I don't normally wear lipstick often. Ooh, and it's a full-size lipstick. So the color is Meringue. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, okay, so I thought it was going to be a lot more red, like the color in the box. So it is a nude color, Meringue. It is cute. I'm not sure. Oh, I will probably wear it. I do like nude colors for, like neutral tone colors for when, you know, I have something professional going on, and so I am excited to give this a try. And I can always use free lipstick. So this is a full size of 5 individual eye masks by the company BLAQ. I like masks for my face to kind of help hydrate my skin, since I do feel like I get dry here in the Arizona weather, even during the winter. The last thing that is in here is this, I think it's a blanket. Oh, it's like a scarf. Okay, so it looks like it's just a really nice throw blanket. Ooh, it does feel soft. It feels soft though. And if you look in the inside, it kind of has like a striped pattern. It does feel nice and soft. So I am really excited about all of the different products that were inside the FabFitFun box. The FabFitFun box, like I mentioned, was less than $50. Well, almost exactly $50. Let's just say it's $50. I'm not sure how much all of these products are individually worth, but I think based on the price alone for $50, thinking about that I've received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I received 9 full-size products. I am pretty impressed. I do think that the price of the FabFitFun box is worth it. According to FabFitFun, the value of people's boxes range from $290 to $335, and my guessing is that sort of based off of people's ability to make choices about what is inside their box, based off of their membership that they've selected. So I am just a general member. I haven't paid extra to have any kind of selection options, and so my guess is what they've sent me is just the general box that people get. Do I think the box was worth it? Yes, I do. I'm really excited. I mean, like I mentioned, even the jade roller by itself, $50 practically is what I paid for the box, and I wanted one of these. I would have bought one anyways. I'm curious to know though how you all, what you all think of the FabFitFun box. Have you guys received a FabFitFun box before? If so, what do you guys generally think about the value of the products? I have tried other subscription beauty services before, and this being a quarterly box means that the price that you pay is a little bit more, but I think the trade-off is you get these full-size products in comparison to maybe trial sizes, and so I'm really into that. That seems like a really good deal to me. But I want to know what you guys all think, so let me know in the comments below. Would you get this kind of box? What did you guys think about the items inside the box? I want to know, so let me know. Alright? I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. If so, please take a moment to subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Thanks so much for watching.